Today, I'm going to show you how to publish a website on Hostgator. This simple guide will walk you through the entire process so you can take your website live in just a few minutes. Whether you're building your first site or managing several projects, Hostgator makes the setup smooth and easy. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting Hostgator's official website. You'll be welcomed by a clean homepage showcasing all the services Hostgator offers. For now, our focus is signing in so we can access your hosting tools. Look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the sign in button. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your account details. If you've forgotten your password, HostGator provides a quick reset option to help you regain access. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your HostGator dashboard. This is the central place where you can manage everything related to your website, from domains to files to hosting settings. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where everything is located. Next, look for the website section on your dashboard and click on it. This section contains your site files, domains, and other tools needed to prepare your website. HostGator organizes everything clearly so even beginners can easily find what they're looking for. With the website section open, click on Edit Site. This is where you can adjust your content, layout, and design before publishing. Whether you're updating text, adding pages, modifying images, or customizing how your website looks, this area gives you full control. Make sure everything appears the way you want visitors to see it. Taking a little extra time here helps your site look polished and professional. After completing your edits and reviewing the layout, you're ready to publish. Look for the button labeled Publish and click on it. This step pushes your website online, making it visible to anyone who visits your domain. Within moments, your entire site becomes accessible across the internet. And that's all it takes. You've now successfully published your website on HostGator. If you ever need to update your site again, simply return to the Edit Site section, make your changes, and publish once more. HostGator's tools make it easy to keep your website up to date. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it helps you launch your website with confidence. Stay tuned for more guides and enjoy having your site live on the internet.